Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what we got Colton this year for Christmas. So as you can see, I'm surrounded by toys. I'm going to let you guys know what we chose, how much we paid for it, and give you some ideas for what to get for your toddler. Okay, so for those of you that are new, my name is Nicole. I'm a first-time mom to a little boy named Colton. He is almost a year and a half. He'll be a year and a half in like literally 3 days. So he will be 18 months, a year and a half on Christmas morning. So usually our rule for choosing gifts for him are going about 6 months to a year older than his age when we purchase them. So like I said, so this year he's gonna be a year and a half. So we chose toys that are like 2 to 3 years old for like the recommendation of how old you should be to play with them. We do obviously check them over. If there are anything like little parts or pieces that seem dangerous for his age group, we will take them away and then reintroduce them when he's old enough to utilize that piece of the game or toy. So I'm surrounded by most of the items that we got him, and looking in the viewfinder, honestly, it looks ridiculous. But this year I decided that instead of buying him like a bunch of like little items, that we would just buy large items that we knew he would really enjoy and that he would get a lot of use out of. And we also recommended that for anyone buying a gift for him or asking us for a recommendation of a gift to buy for him. We asked for sort of staple items or larger gift items instead of small little things that I know he's either gonna lose or break or whatnot. So I'm gonna share what we chose and why we chose it. So first is this Fisher-Price Doctor kit. It's called a medical kit. I love Fisher-Price. They're one of my favorite toy brands. And I saw this for $10 on Amazon. So I'm gonna try and, if I can remember the prices, share how much I paid for things, because honestly, I got really good deals this year and I didn't spend that much on him. It's gonna look like I did, and I really did not. I'm not rich. I don't have a ton of money. We are trying to sell our house and move soon, so I really did not want to spend a lot on Christmas because we're gonna have to be buying things for our new house and for Colton's new room and whatnot. So he's gonna be, sorry, people are texting me. So he's gonna be getting a lot of new things in the next few months anyways, so we wanted to not spend a lot on Christmas. So we chose the Fisher-Price Doctor kit. I like that it came with like a little fabric bag that he can put all the items into, and like I said, I only paid $10 for this on Amazon. He is obsessed with his actual thermometer. He will go up to you and try to put it in your ear, put it in his own ear. So I thought a doctor kit would be perfect for him. And he's getting kind of to the age where he wants to do more of like a role-playing type games and stuff. So he will definitely like this doctor kit. So then something kind of like small, medium sized is the Fisher-Price Little People. I love Fisher-Price Little People. He has a lot of different Little People items. When people ask what to choose for him, I usually tell them to buy him something Fisher-Price Little People. They can play with these for years. So this does say toddler to preschool 1 to 5, and that's totally true. I remember playing with these when my sister was born, and I'm 6 years older than my sister, and I would play with them with her. So I got him the Handy Helper farm truck. So he does have the farm. He got that, I think, last year for Christmas. So I thought this would go great with that. He loves the little animals that come in the farm and the little people. He'll take all the little people and like set them out. So I know he's gonna love the little train or truck. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so next is actually something that I'm not giving Colton. This is gonna be from my parents. They got him 2 large gifts just because they got them for good prices. So one of their large gifts is this huge box of 250 mega blocks. This was part of the Walmart Canada pre-Black Friday sale. I think it was the pre-Black Friday sale, because the Black Friday sales honestly were not that great. I actually like the pre-Black Friday sales better. So that's where we got this. So I think they only paid like $20 or $25 for this. It was super cheap. So maybe it was 30. Honestly, I don't remember. It was really cheap, like compared to like how much the large boxes of Mega Bloks are. This was actually a special buy. I don't even know if you can still buy this. Anyways, he loves Mega Bloks. He loves just like stacking them up and then like breaking them down. And I know he's gonna like them as he gets older, because he'll be able to actually build little forts or castles. So this is like a huge box, and he'll be super excited about this. And then, as I said, my parents actually bought him 2 larger gifts. I don't know what else my mom bought him, because she goes crazy, but they got him the blocks, and then they also got him one of those like little play vacuums. He loves vacuuming. He loves the sound of the vacuum. So my mom got him one of those play vacuums from Toys R Us. It's actually in the mail, and I'm hoping it shows up in time. If not, my mom's gonna go out and buy one, and then we will just return the one that I ordered. So next is again something that I found for a really great price. This is the Melissa and Doug housekeeping playset. Colton is obsessed with brooms, like obsessed. So my parents recently renovated a lot of the main floor of their house, and so they had like brooms and mops and stuff as they were cleaning, as they were going. And Colton, every time he came over to their house, he would grab the broom and start pretending to mop or broom or whatever. So we happened to be at Walmart one day and saw this for like only like $20 or something. And sometimes I see it online for like $40. So I grabbed it. And so this comes with the mop, the broom, like a duster thingy, the little dustpan, a spray bottle, and a squeegee. And then it also has this cool little, I don't know if you can you see it on the front? I think you can. It comes with like the actual stand that everything hangs off of. So I'm super excited. I know he's gonna love this. And yeah, so he does have his own playroom. I guess I should say that. He does have his own playroom, and he will at our new house. So that's where this will go. It's not just gonna be like sitting in the living room or something like that. So I'm excited for him to get this. I know he's gonna love it. So next is something that I'm not going to tell you the price of because I know that you cannot get it for this price anymore. I actually bought this for my best friend's son for his birthday as well, and he loves it. He's like five months younger than Colton, and he loves it. So I know Colton's gonna love this, and I think I'm cutting off the box. Hang on, let's get it into frame. Woo! Okay, so this is the Fisher-Price, I want to make sure I say the name right, the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Serving Up Fun food truck. So essentially it's like one of those like play kitchens, but it's a whole food truck. So it actually has like a bunch of sides and you put it all together. So you can like, if you go inside the truck, you can cook, and on the outside of the truck you can order, and then there's also like the steering wheel to drive the truck. It's so awesome. Like I'm honestly excited to like put it together and play with it myself. So I can't wait for Colton to get this. I know he's gonna love this. He loves play food and he loves the little kitchen at school, or daycare, school, we call it school. I know he's gonna love this. So I will leave a link to this. I did get it on Amazon, but I know you cannot get it for the price that I paid for it. But I know that you guys will love this because I've seen a bunch of YouTubers actually that their kids had this and they seem to love it. And then my sister's best friend Hannah, her son has this too and he loves it. So I'm super excited for Colton to get this. And then Colton's last big gift, which now I'm going through this, I seem so extra, but honestly I did not pay a lot for any of this. I found this guy at Costco for $35, which is crazy. And this is the Mega Bloks Cat, what's that? Let me get the real name. The Mega Bloks Cat 3-in-1 excavator ride-on. So I purchased this actually just because Colton really wants, or I could tell he wants, one of those sort of like ride-on toys that they sit on and ride on. He loves them at school. He has a little, what is that, a tractor or a truck or something? He has like a little like truck, and he tried to ride on it and that's like not what it's made for. So I was on the hunt for one of these and I happened to be at Costco. It's just, I happened upon all of these things. I happened to be at Costco and it was only $35, so I grabbed it. It does have like buttons to make sounds. I'm not gonna push those right now, but it's also Mega Bloks, so it has Mega Bloks inside too. And like I said, he loves Mega Bloks, so I know he's gonna be excited about this. Yeah, so I'm excited to give him this one. I think this might end up being his favorite toy of Christmas. I don't know, and it's probably gonna be just his hit and he's not gonna care about anything else, but it's so freaking adorable. Okay, and then just for some smaller items, like I said, I honestly did not buy a lot of small items. I have a few things coming from Amazon just to fill his stocking. Not that he has any idea what's going on. Like I said, he's only 1.5 years, so really for Christmas this year, we're just gonna go through the motions so that he starts to understand Christmas, and then probably next year and after that, we'll make sure those stockings are filled and like whatnot. But for this year, we're just trying to go through the motions. So we're just gonna throw a few things in his stocking so he understands opening things from a stocking and having toys and presents under the tree. But yeah, so I did purchase some clothes. There was like really big Black Friday sales at the Gap and Old Navy, so I ordered some items from there and I got really good deals. So I've talked about this on my channel before. I like to buy things like when there's big sales. Usually places have like free shipping over $50 or $75. So what I'll do is like buy things in different sizes so that I get up to the $50 or $75. I'll get free shipping, and then I have clothes that'll like be good for him for a few years. And so I usually do that like every season or every other season, and then stock up on items. So I did grab some socks. These were from Old Navy. I should have kept the paper. I don't know how much everything cost, but I got a ton of stuff from the Gap and Old Navy, and it only cost me like $55. So I got him these socks. There's it's a 4-pack. It says that they're 2T, 3T. They look a little big for him, but those will be good in the future, and I like the colors. I got a pair of just plain black pants. These are in a 2T. They're from Old Navy. I got these. Oh, I love this. It's an adorable, what size is this? A 2 from the Gap, but it has like the buffalo plaid, but in yellow on it. I love this. So I was excited about that, and I got these Gap sweaters for really cheap. I got these super cute little khaki pants from Old Navy. They're a 2T as well. And then they also like do that roll up little cargo thing. So those are cute. And then I got a zip up Gap sweater. I think this is also a 2. Yeah, I got a zip up Gap sweater, and I kind of tried to buy things that are a little different. So this actually has like camo on it, and then camo on the arms, which I've never seen this one at the Gap. So I was really excited about that. So I love the Gap sweaters. They're so nice. So that is the clothes that I purchased for him. So something that you guys probably can't get right now, but it's a tip for next year. I was at Walmart, I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks after Halloween this year, and they actually still had Halloween costumes out, and I thought, you know what, let me see if there are anything in his size or the next size up. He can use those as dress up. So all of the costumes were 75% off. Some of the stuff is like missing pieces, but honestly I got them for so cheap. So I got him just a Iron Man dress up thing. So it's a Halloween costume, but he can use it for dress up. You know how expensive those dress up costumes are at like the dollar store or at the Disney store? So it has like the little mask, and it has the little outfit. I think this is like, I don't know what size this was. It doesn't say. I paid $5 for this. $5. So that's a tip. After Halloween, buy your kids dress up stuff, $5. And then I also got him the little fireman suit. I think it's Melissa and Doug makes a fireman suit, and it was like $32. I love Melissa and Doug, but I cannot pay like $32 for a fireman dress up suit. I paid $5 for this. So the only thing it's missing is the hat. I searched all through their like toy, like costume area. I could not find the hat. Honestly, I can get a hat at like the dollar store. So I got him the little costume. It has like the jacket, the pants, and a little like axe or hammer thing or whatever. So I grabbed that at Walmart as well. And that's, oh, this one's a 2T. That one has the size. So that's a little 2T. Okay, and then his items for the stocking. I did get him socks that'll fit him right now. These are just from Walmart. There's like a bunch of, what is there? 8 pairs in here. They're only like $6 or $7 or something. And he just needed like sort of the longer socks for the winter. So I grabbed him those. It has white, gray, blue, and black, so it'll match like all his outfits. I got him one of these little like Kinder Egg Disney like version ones. I know you guys don't have Kinder Eggs in the States. We do in Canada, so he's getting a little Kinder Egg. I thought that'd be good because I can break him off the little pieces of the chocolate and he can eat them. And then I also got him some Play-Doh. Now I know this is like 2+, and Play-Doh's a little iffy with his age, but he does play with Play-Doh at school. They make like they don't actually use Play-Doh. They make Play-Doh, like they make dough with the kids, and then they get to play with it. So I got him a bluey green colored Play-Doh and a green Play-Doh. I actually also ordered some more Play-Doh on Amazon because it was really cheap. There's a sale today. So I ordered some more Play-Doh too. So he's gonna get some Play-Doh in the stocking as well. And yeah, so that's it for everything that Colton's getting for Christmas from us. I will do a video after Christmas. If you guys want to see everything that he got from other people, please let me know in the comments, and I can do that as well, just so you guys can see the different kinds of things he got. Honestly, I did not spend that much, and you guys are probably like, you're a liar, like this is crazy. I just thought, you know what, I got really great deals on these bigger items. This is more than enough for him. He does not need tiny things that he's gonna lose anyways. And everything we purchased are items that we know he's gonna want or he's gonna like. So I'm really excited to see him open gifts on Christmas though. So because last year he was only 6 months, so he hadn't really known what no idea what was happening. So I'm excited to see him, you know, open all his gifts this year. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some ideas of what to get toddlers that you know, or your own toddlers, or whoever's toddlers. I hope that this helps you guys, you know, pick out gifts. I know it's like a little late going up for the Christmas season, but you know, there's always birthdays and next Christmas and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell. That'll give you a notification every time I upload. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this. I love to make videos about toddlers and about kids and about my life and whatnot, and I have a toddler, so that would be my life. So be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below letting me know if you want to see what he got for Christmas after Christmas, and if there are any more videos you guys want to see regarding like must-have for toddlers. I would be happy to make that because I have a toddler and I know what he needs. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.